Hey everyone, Jason and Katie here, and we are Vocal Lab Collective. We've heard you guys loud and clear. We know you love our reaction videos, and today we're starting something new, a 1-minute vocal tip.
So I want to bust the myth of falsetto and head voice being the same thing. They're absolutely not. Head voice has a little bit more of a coordination. Jason, why don't you show us? Falsetto is a lot more breathy, and the chords actually come apart and can break apart, be healthy or unhealthy. This is used for different styles, right? Head voice is going to be that more classical and theater type music and sound, while head voice or falsetto is going to be
more pop and commercial. So the point is knowing how to do both, not only depending on your style, but especially just for versatility and healthy coordination.